Hey and welcome to Alpha. So I have just had another session where we basically were printing some more money. Today we made a profit of $516. I have some members that is not managing to follow the signal properly or are trying to trade by themselves. And I think that every line should stay forever basically. Sadly, it does not work like that, but if you stay constant with your trading, you will make money. Also, there are some that when they push, takes a little while before the trade come. It's normal. That's why you see, for example, I do once in a while, I do go in a couple of times just to make sure I get the best entry, okay? So we can now take a look at the trades I've done, but before we do that, I do have sessions 2 times a day. One is 7:30 to 8:30 GMT -3. I trade Forex and binary option. You can follow these trades and see my screen. This one is a paid version. You can pay here in YouTube. You find link below the video, by the way, for that. Or I have a second session where I have a split screen between IQCent and Pocket Option, and I trade both of them at the same time. This one is free, and that's the one I will tell you about in this episode. You can join completely for free this session by clicking the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link if you just want to trade on this broker. You find a link below the video, and also for Pocket Option. Both of them have promo codes, so just check it out. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification so you never lose a video from me, and also make a comment below if you have any type of questions or whatever. And yes, there are no guarantee that you will make money with binary option. I just show what I do. I make money, but this does not mean you will make money, so I will make that clear for you. So now just to take a few trades I have done. Let's see. You can see how many trades I do, by the way, for the ones that is wondering. See here, just from 6, and the win rate you'll see is pretty darn good. You see here from 6 you have 1 loss here. All this is winners. You have a lose here, winner, 2 losing here, 2 winners, 1 loser here, some winners again, 1 loser, some winners, 4 in a row, 1 loser here, winner, 3 losing in a row, but then we go strong with some winning trades here again. So overall we are printing money, and like I said, you can see my screen 12 today GMT -3, or any other day. I trade 6 days a week, so I will say I'm pretty active when it comes to trading binary option. And Forex. Forex is 5 days a week. So once again, I really hope you will join me so we can make some money together. Now I'll basically just show you my strategy, because I don't want anyone to copy me without they actually agree that my strategy is good. So here is a line we did trade before today, and yes, you will see eventually it will break. Nothing is forever, okay? And if you are unlucky a few times and you start a line like this, for example over here, and you wait and then break, you think like, the broker is against me, they are manipulating the chart. No, it's not like that. Nothing is forever. It's about if you're lucky, and yes, we need some luck to come in early. Not luck in trading, but luck that you come in early, so you can ride the line for a long term, so you can make a lot of money. I have done that many times, and I made a lot of money in screen, so it's proven for people so they can copy what I'm doing. But sometimes you come in late in the line and you get broken, you think, no, the broker is against me. It's like they're looking just you as a trader. No, don't work like that, sorry. So the line is here, and what we do basically, in my sessions, and I do actually give signals for free in WhatsApp and Telegram. You find a link below the video for that also. So when you see this line here, what I do, I take then a screenshot. I write binary option sell line for GBP COF. This is basically Switzerland, and I write the line I write the numbers here, 1.103876. Then you can put the line exactly the way I put, and then every time the bar comes up to that line, we just push down. It's that simple. That's how I trade. And like I said, if you think that is a trading strategy that you could follow yourself, if you want to just be in WhatsApp and just copy the trade there, or if you want to see the screen together with me, the session I have between 12 and 1, that one is only on screen. But the session I have 7:30 to 8:30, that one I take print screen, I put in all the information for you so you can follow me in that session at WhatsApp and Telegram. And sometimes when I have a little more energy, I also post it in Twitter. But if you really want to follow just for free, just join my WhatsApp. That's the best one. Okay. So, but if you really want to take advantage, it's free. The one that I do only on screen from 12 to 13 is completely for free. Link below. It's basically the link that says Alpha 1 Signals. Just join that one. It's completely for free. And when you have a deposit to any of the 2 brokers you find there, through my link, you will have free access to me every single day. And we can trade together. How cool is that? I think it's cool, at least, because I love to trade together with you all. And I really hope my community grow. And because bigger my community is, more fun it is also for me to be trading with you all. I'm also planning to make later, when I start to have a little more followers, I will make a community where you all can talk with each other also, not only talk with me. Because I know that sometimes the community members, some can have learned a little more from my style, and it's not always I have time to talk directly to everyone. But later on, some of my community members maybe start to master the trading style I have, and they can teach you also directly. So that's how I think we will do it in the future. But for now, this is the way we have it. So, like I said, if you think this is a trading strategy that will work for you, and it's a way that you think you will make money, well, then just join me. I see you there, and I hope you will be there in, let's see, 3 hours time. So with that, have an amazing day.